Alright guys, so here we are on number 2. Again, I have split up my numbers. So 6 minus blank equals 9. Now this one is one where I'll have to go next door and borrow 10 more. So if I do that, that would turn into a 16, and this would turn into a 7. 16 minus blank equals 9. If I don't know that off the top of my head, I can just subtract 16 from 9 and I get 7. And 7 minus 4 is 3. And what minus 3 equals 3? That would be a 6. Because if I add these two numbers together, I get 6. Alright, let's look at the next one. Again, I'm going to split it up. 6 plus blank equals 0. Oh, I can't go from 6 to 0, but I can go from 6 to 10. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I added 4 here, and I got a 10. 9 plus 1 plus blank equals 8. Again, same thing. I'm going to have to go all the way up to 18, because that's the next number that has an 8. So 9 plus 1, that's 10. Plus 8 more would give us 18. And 7 plus 1 plus 3, that would be 11. So there is my answer. Alright, here's another subtraction one. I need to turn, I can't take anything away from 2 to get 6, but I can take away 6. I can turn this into a 12. And 12 minus blank equals 6. Well, 12 minus 6 equals 6. 6 minus 5 is 1, and 3 minus nothing is nothing. Or, I mean, it's still 3. Alright, and our last one here, blank minus blank equals 0. I could put zeros here. 0 minus 0 equals 0. And 9 plus blank equals 7. 9 is bigger than 7, so that means I have to go to my next number, which would be 17. So if I were to turn this into a 17, so 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. That means I put an 8 here, so 8 plus 9 is 17. 1 plus 4 plus 3 is 8. Alright, and math puzzle boxes. It says each puzzle contains the numbers 1 through 5, and each column and row adds up to the number given on the outside boxes. Put the correct number in each box to complete the addition equations without repeating any numbers. Alright, so right here, this one has 2 of them. So let's look at this one here first. So 5 plus 1, that's 6. I need to get to 8. So I need to add 7, 8. That's 2 more. 3 plus 4, that's 7. I need to get to 14, and I know that 7 plus 7 is 14, so my answer here is 7. 4 plus 2, that's 6. I need to get all the way up to 15, so 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I put 9 in this box. 7 plus 5, that is 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Oops. So I'm sorry, that's 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 3 plus 1, that's 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 6. One of these is wrong. Okay, so, and it says that I can't repeat numbers. So one of these is 8. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 7 plus 5, that's 12. 20 minus 12, that's 10. That'd give me an 8. Okay, here we go. So this one's 8. So there is our answer. Let's look at our next box. Again, I'm going to start with ones that have 2 numbers here. So 4 plus 1, that's 5. I need to get to 10. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I put 5 in this box. 8 plus 5, that's 13. I need to get to 20. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's 5, 6, 7. I'll put 7 in this box. 7 plus 2, that's 9. I need to get to 15, so 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I put 6 in this box. And 6, let me erase this and put it up here so that way it's easier to see that this is a 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. I need to get to 13, so 10, 11, 12, 13. Put 3 in this box. 8 plus 3, 8, 11. I need to get to 20. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in this box. And I did not repeat any numbers here, so this one is good. Alright, 6 plus 1, that's 7. I need to get to 14, so 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That is 7 in this box. 9 plus 7, that's 16. I need to get to 18. So 16, 17, 18. Put 2 here. 6 plus 5, that is 11. I need to get to 14. So 11, I'm going to count up. 11, 12, 13, 14. I put 3 in this box. 9 plus 3, so that's 9, 10, 11, 12. I need to get to 20, so 12 was my number. So 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That is 8 in this box. And 8 plus 1, that's 9. I need to get to 13. So that's 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That's 4 in this box. And if you want to double check my work, can start adding these to the ones that I haven't done yet. So 5 plus 2 plus 4 is 11. And 7 plus 6 plus 1 is 14. Alright, I'm going to keep going here. 3 plus 8, I need to get to 12. So 8, 9, 10, 11. One more, that's 12. 7 plus 1, that's 8. I need to get to 13. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That's 5. Now I don't have as many boxes here, but I know that I need to get to 16 on some of these, so let's do, and I can't repeat numbers, so I'm just going to start putting in numbers. So 2 plus 5, and I need to get to 16. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That's a 9 here. 3 plus 9, 9, 10, 11, 12. I need to get to 16. 13, 14, 15, 16. That's a 4 here. And I could do 4 plus 7. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And I need to get to 17, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. That's a 6 here. And if I want to check my work, I could see 8 plus 2, that's 10, plus 6 more is 16. Alright, again, here is a harder one. Let's start with 9 and 5, that's 14, and I need to get to 20. So 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's a 6 here. 3 plus 6 is 9. I need to get to 16, so 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That's 7. Alright, and let's see. I'm going to put a 1 here. So 9 plus 1, I'm just going to start with random numbers. I put it near the 7 and 9 because I know that those are higher numbers. So 9 plus 1 is 10. 11, 12, 13, 14. I need to get to 14 here. So I put a 4 here. 7 plus 1, that's 8. I need to get to 13. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Uh-oh, that's a 5 here. So, but there's already a 5 here, so I can't do that. So I need to go through here and erase this. Alright, let's put my 1 somewhere else. Let's put it here. So 7 plus 1, that's 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Again, can't do that because there's already a 5. What other number have I not used? I haven't used a 2. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That would make this a 4. 5 plus 4 is 9. Need to get to 15. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh, that's a 6. So I can't do that one because there's a 6 here already. Let's try, so I've tried a 1, a 2, let's try a 4 here. So 4 plus 7, that's 11. I need to get to 13, so 12, 13, that's 2. 9 plus 4, that's 13, plus 1 more is 14, so that's right. 3 plus 1 is 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's 5, that's 8. And that equals 12. And 8 plus 5 plus 2, that's 8, 9, 10, plus 5 more is 15. So there is my answers. Sometimes you have to play around with it a little bit, and that's okay. 4 plus 1, that's 5, 6, 7. That's a 2 here. 8 plus 2, that's 10. Need to get to 17, so 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. That leaves us with 7 here. I'm going to circle that so I know it's a 7. Alright, and now the rest of these. So I've used a 1, a 2. Let's try a 3 here. 3 plus 7, that's 10. I need to get to 19. So 10 plus 9 is 19. 9 plus 1, that's 10, so I could put a 5 here because that equals 15. And 4 plus 3 is 7. Need to get to 13, so 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That leaves us a 6 here. Now let's check my answers. I have 4 plus 1 plus 2, so 4, 5, 6, 7. That's right. And 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Yep, that works. Alright, and let's keep moving here. Let's see how I want to do this one. So I have a 6 here. Let's just start with 1. So I put a 1 here, so 6, that equals 7. I need to get to 16. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That would leave us a 9 here. 4 plus 1, that's 5. I need to get all the way up to 16. Uh-oh. That's 5, 6, 7, 8, oops. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15, 16. Okay. I can't do that one because I can't go over the number 9 because there's only 9 squares. So let me try to move my 1 somewhere else. Let's put it here. So 4 plus 1, that's 5. I need to get to 14. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That leaves us a 9 here. 9 plus 2, that's 11. I need to get to 14. So 11, 12, 13, 14. That's a 3. 6 plus 3 is 9. I need to get to 16. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That's a 7. 6 plus 1 is 7. I need to get to 15. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 8 in that box. And I need to get to 16 here. So 7 plus 4 is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That is a 5. Did I repeat any numbers? Nope. So that one is good. Alright, again, 8 and 5. That's 13. I need to get to 19, so I can put a 6 here. I'm sorry. 8 plus 9 is 13. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Yep, that's a 6. Just double checking my work. 6 plus, I need to get to 15 here. 6 plus 2 is 8. Let's keep counting. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's a 7 here. Alright, and I'm going to go ahead and put my 1 here. So 7 plus 1, that's 8. 9, 10, 11. That leaves us with a 3. 5 plus 3, I need to get to 17. So 5, that's 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Leaves us with a 9. 9 plus 2, that's 11. I need to get to 15. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's a 4. 8, 9, 10, and then this all equals 13. So that one's good. And 7, 8, 9, 10, and this all equals 11. So we're good. I don't know if you guys have noticed here, and I should have pointed this out before I did the last one, but each of these numbers, it kind of said it in the directions, but each of these numbers will equal what's below it or to the side. So 6 plus 1, that's 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, that's a 4. We needed to get to 11. 9 plus 4, that's 13. We need to get to 16. So 13, 14, 15, 16. It's a 3. I've used a 1. I have not used a 2 yet. So let's put a 2 here. That's 3. Oh, I can't do that because I don't have enough. Or I guess I'd have to add 10, but I can't add 10. So let's see. 1, and I'm looking for a place to put my 2. So maybe let's try it here. 6 plus 2, that's 8. I need to get to 16. 8 plus 8 is 16, so I know I can put an 8 here. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I put a 5 here, that's 16. 5, 6, I need to get to 13, so 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That's 7. Did I repeat any numbers? Nope. So this one is good. Alright. Text-dependent questions for independent reading. Fiction text. Choose a sentence that describes a character's setting or action in an interesting way. What did the author choose to do in those particular words to tell a story? Which words in the sentence are most important and why? What patterns do you notice of the story? Cite at least 3 pieces of evidence to support this. After reading a chapter, tell about the most important ideas from the story. Find 1 or 2 sentences in the text that show this important idea. How does the author use dialogue to tell the reader what is happening? Give an example from the text. So this is something that you can go through and you can read a book and you can ask your parents. So this is for fiction text. If you don't know what is going to happen next, make a prediction. Say, I predict, and what is going to happen. Give at least 1 piece of evidence from the text and why you predict that. What is the tone of the book? Is it serious, funny, magical, sad? Find at least 2 phrases or sentences that make the reader feel this way. What lesson is the author trying to teach the reader? How do you know? What in the book tells you that? What details in the text describe one of the characters for you? Is there a point to the story where things make a big change? What is it? Alright, and for nonfiction text, how do the pictures in the text help you understand what you are reading? Give an example. How do the captions in your text help you understand what you're reading? Give an example. Pick a diagram chart in your book. What is this trying to teach you? What conclusions can you draw from it? Is there a glossary in the back of the book? What word can you find that you didn't know before? Why is that word important to understanding the book? Alright, and this says finding your way around a map. We have the legend here. These are mountains, so I'm going to color in all the mountains. There's all the mountains. Pop. Okay, so this POP stands for population. So population is 2,000. So if I see this, which I see one right here, that means there's 2,000 people on Bear Island. Alright, and this one here, oops, population 10,000. So here's that little symbol. That means that there are 10,000 people living here and 20,000 people living here. So there are 10,000 people on Nature's Island. And here's another one that says POP. That's 5,000. So that means 5,000 people live on Stone Island, because it's right there. Alright, our next one, let's see. Let's pick a different color. Let's do orange. That is the capital. So here are the capitals of each of them. And right here, these are our forests. So there's a forest here, 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 and here. Stone Island doesn't have any forest. So this is Ochre Ocean. Let me change my color here. Let's change it to this color. So we have Ochre Ocean, Stone Island, Bear Island, and Nature Island. This right here tells us how long of a distance this is. So this is 50 miles. And we have our compass rose, which is north, south, east, and west. And I didn't even read this. It says color the mountains purple, color the waters blue, color the capitals yellow, and color the forest green. So you guys can go ahead and do that with the right colors. What is the population of Bear Island? It's kind of a good thing that we already did this. So here's Bear Island. It is 20,000. What is the population of Stone Island? That's right here. That is 5,000. Use the compass on the map to find out which direction you would travel to go to Bear Island from Nature Island. So if we're going from Bear Island to Nature Island, which way am I traveling? So we're going from Bear Island to Nature Island. That means we are traveling south. Use the distance meter on the map to find out how many miles you have to travel to go from the capital Bear Island to the capital of Nature Island. So here is Bear Island's capital, and here's Nature's Island's capital. Here is our distance. This is about 50 miles, so I'm going to count this. So it's about that big. So 1. That's probably about, you can use your fingers to measure. Let me erase this really quick. Alright, so if I'm using my fingers to measure, about from here to here is 50 miles. From here to here is about 50 miles. And here we are again, here to here. So this is 50, 50, and 50. What is 50 plus 50 plus 50? That is 150 miles. Alright, how many more mountains are there on Bear Island than Stone Island? So here we are with Bear Island and Stone Island. Bear Island has 1, 2, 3, and Stone Island has 1, 2. Remember, how many more means to subtract. So what is 3 minus 2? That equals 1. So it has 1 more mountain. Are there more forests on Bear Island or Nature Island? So here's Nature Island. I see 1, 2 forests. And Bear Island, I see 1, 2, 3 forests. So which one has more? Bear Island. Alright, intermediate directions. Alright, so I have all this stuff. Label the compass rose with the cardinal and intermediate directions. So this is north. Never eat slimy worms. That's how you can remember it. So never, and you move this way. So never eat slimy worms. Alright, so this one here would be northeast. This one here would be southeast. This one here would be southwest. And this one here would be northwest. Alright. Amy is a police officer and goes to the grocery store after work. What direction should she travel to go to the grocery store? So here we are at the police station. She needs to go to the grocery store. So we are going this way. So which direction should she travel? She should travel, here we are in our compass rose, northwest. It's the NW, so northwest. Sydney goes to the park after school, so here's the park. Here's the school, here's the park. Which direction should she travel? Again, we're going this way. So going that way would be northeast. Charles lives on Brick Street. Here's Brick Street. He needs to head in what direction to go to the grocery store? And here's the grocery store. Again, we're heading this way, so he needs to go northwest. Dave is a train conductor. He wants to meet an old friend at the Clarida River during his break. In what direction should you travel on the river? So here's the train station, and he wants to go to Clarida. Here's Clarida River. So which way is he heading? Again, that's going like that. So that is southeast. Rika is a teacher and takes the train home. In what direction should she go to the train station? So she's a teacher, so she's at the school, and she needs to go to the train station. So that is, northwest. Alright, oh goodness. Alright. Text features, wild, wild weather. Help the reader navigate the text. They give more information about the text. Examples, illustrations, photographs, maps, charts, blah, 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 blah. Alright, let's read it and answer the questions. It's raining, it's pouring, and the old man is snoring. Have you ever heard that song? It's a famous tune about weather. Weather is something that affects us daily. Extreme weather is something that affects most people only a few times in their life. Extreme weather includes flooding rains, tornadoes, blizzards, and hurricanes. People study weather so they can inform us. These are the people who give us information we need so that we can remain safe in the cases of extreme weather. Tornadoes. A tornado is a storm that can cause destruction in its path. Winds can reach up to 300 miles per hour. Tornadoes form from thunderstorms. They are most common in an area of the United States called Tornado Alley. If I look here, that's Tornado Alley. This area is where many tornadoes form because of the way the air moves. I'm going to go ahead and stop here because I'm at a good stopping point and read my pictures. So this says usually tornadoes is in the form of a tunnel shape. Sometimes it looks like a rope. Cool, dry air from the north and warm, moist air from the south meet. This causes thunderstorms, which can become severe. When the atmosphere is not stable, the winds can increase in a tornado and produce a tornado. So let's look at here because I'm at another good stopping point. Cumulonimbus clouds. I'm not quite sure how to pronounce that. A spiral draft, funnel clouds, and debris clouds. Water spouts. A waterspout is a weak tornado. It forms over water. It can happen on the ocean. It can happen on smaller bodies of water such as lakes. Waterspouts are most common in the Gulf of Mexico. They have occurred in the tropics as well. Waterspouts can pick up things such as animals or tree limbs and drop them in other places. If a waterspout moves onto land, it becomes a tornado and can cause damage. Wild weather comes in many forms. Tornadoes and waterspouts are directly related and look alike, but weather events require attention because they can be dangerous to humans and animals. Wild weather is fascinating and it is completely unpredictable sometimes. What information does the map show? So what did this map show? It shows Tornado Alley. That should be a capital T. Tornado Alley. What does the diagram show? So the diagram is right here. What does it show? It shows a tornado funnel. What information can you gather from the caption under the picture? So here's our picture. Here's the caption. It says usually a tornado is in the form of a funnel shape. Sometimes it looks like a rope. So tornadoes make funnels. All right, so tornado and waterspouts. So we're comparing them, or we're making a T-chart to record information about the two types of wild weather. So this is over the ocean, and this one is over land. Go ahead and write one more. Oops, I guess I'll make this a 2. Alright, and you can go ahead and share that with me on Dojo. What does the author use headings? Why does the author use headings in this nonfiction text? So we have headings here. And why did they use the headings? They use it to separate the tornadoes and waterspouts. All right. Concept web. Place the word or topic in the center oval, then write details about the topic in the remaining ovals. Lastly, place the headings at the top of each oval to give more information about your details. So, let's see, what was our heading here in the story? It was about wild weather. details about the topic. So all right. So I'm going to do some of these with you guys, and you guys can do the other ones by yourself. So I'm going to do 3 of them. So I'm going to draw a line down the middle, and these are the 3 that we're going to do. So, let's see. We have the Gulf of Mexico. And what was this one about? This one was about the water spouts. And we had the Tornado Valley. This one was about tornadoes. And let's find one more detail from our story. Winds can reach 300 miles per hour, and this was about tornadoes. So go ahead and finish this and send on Dojo. Alright, write about it. Describe your concept web. Be sure to write about the essential topic and the details about the topic. So again, send this to me on Dojo, and I will write you back. Alright, and I will see you guys next time.